We're a very close-knit and friendly department, and we offer 4 main languages: French, German, Italian and Spanish. We also offer a basic course in Brazilian Portuguese. One of the advantages of studying here is that we offer courses for beginners as well as for people with A-level, and so that means that if you didn't have the chance to study a language at school for A-level, or even if you didn't have the chance to do one to GCSE, there is still the possibility that you'd be able to pick up a language here. We offer, much of the teaching is done in small groups. Many of the colleagues are native speakers of the languages that they teach, which means that you get a lot of exposure to the language, not only in the classroom but also on the corridors. One of the big advantages also of a degree with a modern language is that you spend the 3rd year in a country or in the countries where the language or languages are spoken. And that means that you not only gain a much deeper knowledge of the language, that your linguistic skills improve dramatically during the time that you spend abroad, but you also acquire a whole range of transferable skills which make you very employable when you then graduate. In terms of combinations, many of our students, about half of them probably study 2 or 3 languages, so they are completely within the department, and about half will study a language with another subject, for instance something like history or business. In general, I would say that we are a close-knit and friendly department, but that doesn't in any way mean that we're inward-looking. We have lots of collaborations, lots of links with universities outside the UK, and we're very outward-looking. Well, we're extremely happy to see that a very large number, 98%, said that they were happy with the teaching that we offer in the department, and 96% said that they were happy with the overall students' experience. And as you can imagine, we're extremely pleased to see that the effort we put into teaching is clearly appreciated by our students, and that they've had an excellent experience here.